Ever heard of ham radio but not really sure what it is? Why are people still using radios when we've got smartphones and the internet? Well, here's the truth. Ham radio isn't outdated. It's more exciting, more useful, and more fun than ever. At the end of this video, you're going to see why you might want to get involved. Stick around. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack. I'm Josh AA4WX, and this is HamShackTV. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss more beginner-friendly guides just like this one. Ham radio, also called amateur radio, is one of the most powerful hobbies you can get into. It's about communication without internet. With just a radio and an antenna, you can talk across town, across the country, or even across the world. And the best part, it's you in control, not some cell carrier or Wi-Fi hotspot. Quick question for you. If you had your own ham radio license, who would you want to make your very first contact with? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll be replying to a bunch of them. Millions of people still use ham radio today, and here's why. Experimentation. You can build antennas, tweak your gear, and learn real-world radio science. Community. Hams form clubs, go on adventures, and help each other. We've seen some of these adventures right here on my channel with Smoky Mountain Amateur Radio Club and my YouTube buddies, Ham Radio 2.0, Ham Radio Crash Course, KMRD, Ham Radio Dude. List goes on and on. The community is what really I love about it. Emergency comms. When cell phone towers and internets fail, ham radio does keep working. You've got to keep in mind that all your communications is dependent on cell towers and internet. So keep that in mind. And the final reason is it's fun. From people talking to astronauts on the International Space Station. Yes, you heard me right. You can talk to the International Space Station using ham radio. To even hiking a mountain with a portable rig. It never gets old. See, there's all kinds of fun things that you can do. Some people take a portable rig to the beach and sit on the beach and talk to people on the other side of the world. Why? Because radio waves propagate better over water. See, this thing's going to get more and more fun. So to start, you need three things. You need a radio, handheld, mobile, or full HF station. 2, you need an antenna. That is the most important piece of the puzzle. Earlier this week, I did a video about choosing the right amateur radio antenna, and I will link that video I can never point in the right place, right about here, somewhere. Yeah, you get it. I'm going to put the link right there. Go check out that video, and that'll tell you some ideas on selecting an antenna. But before you get either one of those things, you need to get a license. Don't worry, it's not that bad. Take a test and you'll get your call sign, and boom, you're officially a ham radio operator. And folks, I have the easiest way for you to get your ham radio license. It's called Ham Radio Prep. HamRadioPrep.com is the best source to get your education that you need in order to qualify for your amateur radio license. They are so confident that they will help you pass your test that they offer a money-back guarantee. HamRadioPrep.com, and you know what? I've got an exclusive coupon code, HamShackTV. That'll give you 10% off their already great prices. Also, links down in the description down below. So don't worry. If you think it is easier than you think, and like I said, I'm going to drop more links down in the description that can help you out. So what can you actually do with it? Ham radio isn't just about chatting. You can make local and global contacts, send digital messages and images, bounce signals off the moon. That's right, you're talking to the International Space Station, but you can also point an antenna at the moon, and it will bounce back to Earth, and you can talk to somebody on the other side of the world just by bouncing off the moon. You can use satellites. You can activate parks and summits with programs like Parks on the Air and Summits on the Air. And you can also step up during disasters when nothing else works. It's part hobby, part science, and part public service. If you've made it this far, you're clearly curious about ham radio, so let's do this. Smash the like button so that more people can discover ham radio. Subscribe to HamShackTV so you don't miss the beginner series that I'm continually working on. And if you really, really want to support the channel, you can hit that super thanks button down below. Every dollar that goes right back into making videos, traveling to HamFest, and showing you more about what this hobby is all about. Ham radio has been around for over 100 years. Long time, right? And it's still going strong because it connects people in ways nothing else can. Radios come and go, but the ham radio community, that's forever. Since you're ready to learn more, click on the link down below for hamradioprep.com. Go check them out. I think you're going to like what you got. HamRadioPrep.com, use coupon code HamShackTV, 10% off. They're already great prices. And they offer the money-back guarantee that makes it even better. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack. 73s, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. AA4WX, WSEB 693.